Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a nail tutorial featuring a gel kit by SXC Cosmetics. So I'm going to unbox this and show you guys everything that's inside. So, including this kit, we have a bunch of different glow-in-the-dark gels. This one is the green and it's Scorpio. All of them are named by different zodiac signs. Leo, shh. This one is Aquarius. And it's a purple shade. I'm going to swatch all of the colors on a piece of paper for you guys. This one is Aries. It's a blue. It's like a baby blue. It's like a bubblegum baby blue. Super duper cute. This is one of my favorite shades. But of course, the shade Virgo is my favorite because it's pink. I absolutely love this pink. It's so cute. I could do like all of my nails that one color. Then we have Taurus, which is the orange color. Very pretty orange. Then we have Libra, which is yellow. All of these shades are like pastelish, but they're also very vivid. So this is how the shades look up close. I love them all. Very good color combination. And they also included 2 different glitters. So these are loose glitter pigments. And then we have a base coat and a top coat. And also included was a brush so that you can basically sculpt your nails. It also came included with a nail file, but it did not have any liquids. So just keep that in mind. But you can always use rubbing alcohol to press down your gels. So now, these are the dual forms that I'm going to be using today. I actually like them. The nails came out very, very pretty. And it also comes with a instruction manual, which I thought was very helpful. So the liquid I'm using today is from Macart. It's basically like an alcohol, which you're going to be using to basically like press down the gels. So I'm going to go ahead and push my cuticles back. I'm using a nail file because my cuticle pushers were upstairs and I didn't feel like going upstairs to get them. So I'm just going to use this nail file to push my cuticles back. Then after I push my cuticles, I'm going to go ahead and file and shape all of my nails so that we have a very nice, clean, and steady base. I would recommend that you guys also cut your cuticles, but I don't really like to cut my cuticles, but it does make your nails appear cleaner. So that's why I would recommend it. I'm probably going to end up cutting my cuticles because mine were really, really bad. So I'm just going to finish shaping my nail. I'm just going to fast forward through this because you guys don't need to see me filing all of my nails. So once I'm done filing my nails, I'm going to go ahead and wipe away all of the dust. Then we are going to start prepping our nails for the gel. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is this nail prep dehydrator. And this is going to be the first step. This is basically going to dry up and dehydrate your nails so that everything adheres better. Then we are going to go in with the next step, which is going to be a nail primer. This nail primer is specifically made for gel nails. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave the information in the description. Then we are going to go in with one base coat. And I'm going to apply it to all my nails, a light base coat. And then I'm going to cure that. And this is basically going to be the base for the gels. So now, because I'm doing ombre nails, like the bottom of the nail is opaque and the ends of the tip are colored. So I'm going to go ahead in with this pink gel. This is from Macart. This glow-in-the-dark kit didn't include any like transparent colors, so I'm using this one. So I'm basically just putting this bright pink. It's like kind of like a nudish pink. I'm going to put that on the base of the nail. And then I'm going to make the tips ombre into that shade so it looks like an ombre now. Because I didn't want to do them all one full color. I thought this was super cute. It gives more of the natural nail appearance. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're just dipping the brush into the solution and patting down the gel. It's so easy to do, guys. That's why I wanted to make this video for you guys. Because it's so easy. Like, I used to do my own acrylic nails. But this is so much easier and it doesn't smell. Like, that's what I love the most because I can do this downstairs with the kids because it doesn't have a smell. So I'm just going to go ahead and press in the gel. It's going to pretty much start dissolving, not dissolving, but it's going to start flattening as soon as you press it in. You guys will see once you actually do your own set. It's so easy to work with. I would just say start with a little bit at a time, because you don't want to do too much, because then you'll end up having to take some of the gel off. So just build your way up. And I'm just going to basically keep I don't even know how to explain it. I'm just gonna keep patting the nail and building that length up until I got it as long as I want my nail to be, which is probably the longest I could get without the nail tip folding over. Then I'm going to press the nail down. As you guys can see here, I press the nail down onto my finger, and then I'm just gonna wipe whatever gels are coming out of the side of the nail, and then I'm going to turn the nail over and I'm going to pat inside of it, making sure that that nail, like that the gel is not built up on the back side of my nail. I mean, you could always file it afterward with an electric file, but I like to do this step because it helps, it makes things easier. So then I'm going to cure that nail in my LED light. You're supposed to do it for 60 seconds, but I usually do it longer than that. And then once I'm done, this is how the nail comes out. I'm not going to file it yet. I want to do all the nails and then I will file them together. But this is basically how the nail looks. On that side, it looks a little thicker, but it's okay because we still have to file. So then with this nail, I'm going to do the same thing, but we are doing different colors. Like after this, I'm going to disappear and probably just play music and let you guys watch, because it's basically repeating the same step. You press the gel in, you dip your brush in the liquid, and then you pat the nail and you basically sculpt it to how you want it to look. The thickness of your nail depends on your liking. I would suggest to do it like a medium thick, not too thick because it's gonna look chunky and look crazy, and you don't want it to be too thin because it will break off and fall and your nails won't last long. So I did like somewhere in the middle. And also to ombre my nail, I felt like it was easier to create an ombre when I used the metal side and basically blended it into the pink. I felt that helped me a lot. So I don't know if you guys want to try that. It completely presses down by itself. And then again, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the sides of the nail, and then we are going to cure it. Also, when you are doing the dual forms, you want to make sure that the form is covering your whole entire nail. You don't want any of your nails to be poking out the sides because that will mess up your application. So this is how the purple nail looks. Again, I'm not going to file it yet. I'm going to file them together. But now I'm going to disappear and let you guys just watch what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how all of the nails look once they are all cured and built up. Now it's time to file them. I'm going to do that off camera, and this is how they look once they're all filed. As you guys can see, this application is absolutely flawless, and this is why I love and I stand by this gel. So we are going to go in with the top coat now, and we are going to do a light layer of top coat When you're doing top coat, you don't want to put too much because it can start to wrinkle up if you do like a thick layer of top coat. So you want to keep it nice and thin. So I'm just going to put top coat on all of the nails together, and I'm going to cure them in the light together. I didn't do it separately. I just did it together. But before we cure these nails, I'm going to add some of the colorful rhinestones that they sent in the kit. I figured I'd just add like a little spoof to the nail. It's nothing super duper crazy. Like, you guys know I like super design on my nails, but these are super simple to me and I love them. These have to be one of my favorite sets. So once I cure that and the rhinestones are stuck on there, this is how the nails came out. I hope you guys liked this video. Please let me know if you guys want more nail tutorials. I'll be so happy to make them for you guys. Until next time, guys. Bye.